Cracking your knuckles, relaxing for some, annoying for others, but is it actually bad for you? When you crack your knuckles, you're not breaking bones. You're popping bubbles of gas in the fluid between your joints. Good news, studies show cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Yep, your grandma was wrong. But if you do it excessively, it could weaken your grip over time, so moderation is key. The only real danger? Annoying the person sitting next to you. So go ahead and crack those knuckles, but don't overdo it. Follow us for more fun facts you never knew you needed.